Hey digital diamonds, it's time for another digital gem. Let's go! Welcome back to Digital Healthcare Solutions, a healthcare network developed to equip, empower, and encourage a thriving digital healthcare nomad community. In today's Diamond video, we're about to embark on an exciting journey deep into the awe-inspiring world of the skeletal system. So buckle up, because we're about to uncover the secrets of the body's incredible structural powerhouse. By the end of this expedition, you'll understand not only what the skeletal system is, but also why it's vital knowledge for everyone to understand. To begin, let's ensure we all have a baseline understanding of the skeletal system. The skeletal system is the framework of the body. It provides shape, support, and protection for our vital organs. But make no doubt, the human skeletal system isn't just about bones. It's a complex symphony of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons, all coming together to form a variety of body sizes, shapes, heights, weights, and genders. Now hold on to your hats, because here comes the kicker. Do you know our bones are very much alive? Yes, alive. The bones that make up the skeletal system are not just a passive structure. They are a bustling hub of activity. Our bones breathe in oxygen and release waste products during metabolism. The human body's bones are packed with active tissues that consume nutrients, demand their own blood supply, and are even willing to change shape or remodel themselves when faced with different mechanical challenges. Talk about a powerhouse. Now let's delve into the purpose of this remarkable body system. So, the primary purpose of the skeletal system is to support the entire body. Enable body movement so we can walk, run, dance, reach, and squat. In addition to protecting the body's vital organs such as the heart, lungs, and brain. Also, it's important to know that bone marrow found within certain bones is responsible for producing red and white blood cells, which are crucial for oxygen transport and immune function. Now let's explore the organs that make up this fascinating system. As previously stated, the skeletal system is composed of bones, cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, all working together harmoniously. However, we thought we should add a little weight, a little strength, a little depth to this information. So here we go. First up, the bones. With 206 bones in the adult human body, bones are the primary organs of the skeletal system. Our bones consist of a composition primarily including protein, collagen, and minerals, and what we most often associate with bones, calcium. Next, joints. Joints are the connections between bones that enable body movement. The joints in our bodies can be classified as either synovial joints, the ball and socket joints, cartilaginous joints, the intervertebral discs, or fibrous joints, the sutures in the skull. Then there's cartilage. Cartilage is the human body's connective tissue found in various parts of the body, including the nose, ears, and between bones and joints. Cartilage provides cushioning and helps reduce friction between our bones. Next, ligaments. Ligaments are tough, fibrous tissues that connect bones to other bones at joints. They provide stability and limit excessive movement of the joints. And then there's tendons. Tendons are fibrous tissues that connect muscles to bones. They transmit the force generated by muscles to the bones, allowing for body movement. Next, bone marrow. Bone marrow is found inside some of our bones, such as the long bones like the femur or humerus, and flat bones like the pelvis or sternum bone. Next up, periosteum. The periosteum is the thin membrane that covers the outer surface of bones. It contains blood vessels and nerve endings and plays a role in bone growth and repair. Then there's the spongy bone and the compact bone. Bones are made up of two types of tissue: cancellous, that's the spongy bone, and cortical, the compact bone. The spongy bone is found at the ends of long bones and in the interior of flat and irregular bones, whereas the compact bone is dense and makes up the outer layer of most bones. And the sinuses. As you may possibly be aware, the frontal and maxillary bones of the skull contain sinuses, sinuses being the air-filled cavities that help reduce the weight of the skull and enhance vocal resonance. Then there's the axial skeleton. Axial skeleton includes the central core of the skeleton, which consists of the skull, vertebral column, the spine, and rib cage, the ribs and sternum. And last but not least, the appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton comprises the bones that make up the arm and leg limbs, in addition to the girdles that connect the limbs to the axial skeleton. Whew, that was a mouthful. Collectively, these organs and structures make up the skeletal system, which supports the body's structure, protects vital organs, facilitates movement, and plays a crucial role in blood cell production and mineral storage. To further simplify the skeleton system, the bones of the human body may be classified into different categories, including long bones, short bones, and irregular bones, with each bone performing a unique function. Now let's review the mechanics of how the skeletal system actually operates. The skeletal system works hand in hand with the muscular system. Muscles attach to bones via tendons, and when muscles contract, they pull on the bones and create body movement. Joints, which are the meeting points of two or more bones, come in various types, such as hinge joints, ball and socket joints, and pivot joints. These joints in particular allow for different ranges of motion. As with any intricate system, the skeletal system also is not immune to diseases and conditions. Let's explore some common ones. Conditions like osteoporosis, arthritis, and scoliosis are commonly associated with the skeletal system. However, understanding these conditions is crucial for prevention and treatment. Let's take a look at each one separately. Osteoporosis. This is a significant skeletal system disorder that demands a deep understanding for effective prevention and treatment. This condition is characterized by the gradual weakening and deterioration of bone tissue, leading to a notable loss in bone density and structure. As a result, bones become exceptionally fragile and susceptible to fractures, even from minor stresses or impacts. As a matter of fact, osteoporosis actually poses a significant health risk, especially among aging populations, as it can lead to debilitating fractures, particularly in the hip, spine, and wrist. The consequences of these fractures can be severe, causing chronic pain, disability, and reduced mobility. Moreover, fractures related to osteoporosis can lead to a cascade of health problems, including decreased quality of life and increased mortality rates, making it a condition of paramount concern. Now, arthritis can affect any joint in the body and is typically caused by inflammation of the joint lining or damage to the joint cartilage. This condition can be chronic and degenerative, like osteoarthritis or autoimmune and systemic, as seen in rheumatoid arthritis. The exact cause of arthritis varies depending on the type, but genetics, lifestyle factors, and immune system dysfunction can contribute to its development. Effective management often involves medication, physical therapy, and lifestyle modifications. Unlike scoliosis, which is a structural deformity of the spine characterized by an abnormal sideways curvature, this condition typically develops during adolescence, although it can occur at any age. The curvature can be C-shaped or S-shaped and may vary in severity. Scoliosis can result in back pain, muscle imbalances, and even affect lung and heart function if severe. The exact cause of scoliosis is often unknown, idiopathic, but it can also be caused by congenital factors, neuromuscular conditions, or other underlying medical issues. Treatment options for scoliosis depend on the degree of curvature and may include bracing, physical therapy, or in severe cases, surgery to correct the spine's alignment. Early detection and intervention are essential for managing scoliosis effectively. Well, digital diamonds, that just about wraps up our skeletal system review. And from this review, we hope that we have provided clarity surrounding the importance of knowing and understanding at least the basics of the skeletal system by everyone, not only medical professionals. As Benjamin Franklin once said, true wealth is having your health and knowledge of self. Yeah, he may have been referencing the knowledge of self, meaning being self-aware, but still, you get the point. Understanding our bodies for prevention and treatment is essential. Understanding how to maintain bone health through diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices can lead to a longer, more active life. And isn't that what we are all striving for? And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of the skeletal system and why it's essential knowledge for everyone to obtain. Let's face it, the more we know, the greater we grow. Well, until next time, and as always, we hope and trust this information will be used and shared as a valuable tool as you strive to be a digital diamond. But no matter what you do, remember, Because you strive to be a digital diamond, you read everything, your knowledge is broad and expansive, you attract success, and you create the life that you want to live. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel and be part of the digital healthcare nomad community. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Your support helps us create more great videos for you.